Today, I'm gonna act wild with the monkeys today. This is recordedly a bug, so you wouldn't expect anything. Look at them, they're just chattering him to the moon. Next level. These are too easy, but it's like so funny to see him fly to space and looking like he's having coronavirus. Get in the bathroom. He's flying to the moon. I'm taking rid of the ads. Instead, I'll just spam you with monkeys. Well, your pooping is a routine that you're not going to poop ever again because monkeys keep sparing you for God to keep doing it. Battle Snodgered getting you in the pee-pee. Pee-pee. I'm doing this until I get to level like 50. So I'm just gonna spam monkeys. They're like just killing him, whatever. And also this is gonna make this not for kids because this is kind of inappropriate because I'm hitting him in the pee-pee. Oh my God! I don't know what to say. I got $1,512 just in one level. You're just gonna get abducted. Let me retry that one. That time, I want to make him fly. Didn't fly. Equals. Roach. Also got a new phone. Surfing on the internet, maybe like teacher. Why? My brain. Like the same thing. Monkey. Monkey. Mama, 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 mama. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. He's literally flying into space. Yeah, this game is broken. It's called Wake 'em Up. Whenever you want to try, you can do it. Just remember, it has so many bugs with these little monkeys. You can just spam them and they will just eliminate who you're tagging. Tag, 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 tag. You're it. Me playing tag with Tavion. This is just so funny just to look at these. Get up! Get up! Michael Jackson. The reason why the apps are different is because I got a new phone. I also can play Find the Comics in this one. So I'll still... Yeah, this video is definitely not for kids. Like, look. I'll pause really quick. I'm gonna go to the restroom. I won't cut this off, but I'll pause. I am back. So let's beat this guy up. You're a police officer, so you will get blown. Oh! Dang! It looks like he has blood shots coming out of his butt. Meaning that he is drunk. Too easy. So I was just keeping use the monkey and just throwing it at him. He's a sprayed. He got sprayed by monkeys. Well, the only thing I got to do is get to level 50. This is a horrifying nightmare of just someone drowning. And I can actually view. Slip away. He's Michael Jackson just flying away. Spooky Spoon be like, hi, I'm just making a YouTube video. Oh, we're getting pretty close. Yay! You just get monkeys for the rest of your year. Don't fall off. It's gonna be really ridiculous if you fall off. Don't. I think he's trying to reach God. You deserve to not win. Why you smacking yourself? Why you smacking yourself? Why you smacking yourself?
Are you making a video now?
Yeah. Chatter. Jeez. Oh my gosh. He's like flying up. The entire world won't care about him if he keeps flying up. He's like, hey, can I get out of this? So. I'm out. Ah, I'm getting horrid wolf monkeys. Ah, I don't have bananas, but I don't know how this is possible. Help! Even monkeys for the rest of the year. He looks like he's trying to fly up to God. Still, he's acting weird in this. Oh, so you learned... Oh, you didn't learn how to swim. Okay. Get out of there! Get out! If you don't know how to swim! Indoors. This guy is dumb. I'll just skip video for once. Oh God, you can't poop. I said, you can't poop. You can't poop on YouTube. What if one of the monkeys went in the toilet? Bruh. Who cares? Who cares about that? Mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. Wow. Total? I'm actually doing pretty good. Last level. Until I'm gonna stop.
Hey, we gotta go get dinner because I didn't take dinner out. So we gotta get dressed.
Okay, but first, don't take out the secret for them, okay? Don't take out the secret. There we go. That's all you're getting today. Bye.